Hey guys, Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to be reviewing and swatching Jaclyn Hill collection. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ring the Alarm palette. I have all four of them, all full four palettes, so I'm going to go in depth with each one of them, and they're gonna be 4 different videos. So if you want to see a palette in particular, then make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm uploading my next video. I'm going to be doing a different kind of swatches today and testing, and what I'm planning is to do it to apply it directly on my eyes for you guys to see how they behave on the eye, because I always say the hand swatches online that I see, I never ever trust it. So in order to get a more precise idea on how they look like on the eyes with different base, because I'm going to put on one eye a tacky base, and I'm going to use as a base, I'm going to use the Lock-It concealer in the shade White Out. The reason why, because eyeshadows a lot of times behave a lot different when you have a tacky base underneath and when you had a set base when it's dry and you apply it on a dry base. Also, let me know if you want me to make a whole series with swatches like this. Let me know if you like them that way or if you want me to change anything, and if you have any palettes in your mind that you would like me to test out and show you how they perform, then leave the name of them and I'll get back and try to do them as soon as possible. But let me tell you, this was not easy. My eyelids are crying to the gods because they hurt from testing everything. Hope you guys appreciate that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Also, what I wanted to mention is that throughout the video I did not wet my brush, so it's all applied with a dry brush on the eyes. I'm not going to do many comments throughout the video, as I think this is all self-explanatory, so I'm going to spit it all out so you can see how it applies quickly and not bore you out to the death. So without further ado, I'll let you enjoy it and I'll be back at the end.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars and flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I went to winners and they play with deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting their bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, buck attacks. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, buck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa, 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 whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record.
We just go no, 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 no. No, we can't come close, come close. Got it for the low, 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 low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go, don't go. I just can't come close, come close. I'm looking for the local, local. No, I don't wanna postpone, postpone. Yeah, whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint. I met a true bookie in the state of my mind. Now I know a lot of rookies coming over for the title, but I don't wanna fight, I just roll the dice. Do it for the money, yeah, do it for the price. Take it like a man, no, I don't take advice. Putting money on the table like a Russian with the spice. We just go no, 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 no. You just can't come close, come close. Got it for the low, 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 low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go, don't go. You just can't come close, come close. I'm looking for the local, local. No, I don't wanna postpone, postpone. Yeah, whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it. I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, 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 no. No, it can't come close, come close. Got it for the low, 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 low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go, don't go. I just can't come close, come close. I'm looking for the local, local. No, I don't wanna postpone, postpone. Yeah, press, roll, pick up the gold. Taking no loss in my city, no more, no stress. Go, pick up the flow. Paying no dues in my city, no more. I got plenty more to say about the topic, the way I profit. I just went into the store and then I bought it. Yeah, you know, got it for the very low. All the new additions I've been putting on the payroll. All this, I get emotional just thinking about it. Last week I won the poker with my drinking buddies. All this money coming in and yeah, of course the limo riding. I just hope to keep my focus how I live about it. No, 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 no. No, it can't come close, come close. Got it for the low, 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 low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah. Yeah, no, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can't come close, oh, no, no, no. Yeah, no, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes like I'm the plug and you don't know. Oh, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you said. It's just that I don't see myself. Yeah. Keep in mind I got longevity deals now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now. Sipping Henny from the bottle, got my first meal now. Nowhere do I run from, yeah, they don't even know where I'm coming from. Now they all just wanna sing along. Now they all just wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now. Just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now. I don't wanna be the last around, no. When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes like I'm the plug and you don't know. Oh, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and
touch in my hand, your wave defeats my lunch. My light hit the sand. I'm the moon and you're my sun. Watch me falling, watch me falling down. Sleeping next to you, giving every piece of me. Wake up with you too. Wanna put us on repeat. Moving next to you, set all my fire free. Watch me fall. Watch me fall. On my hair. This game was never fair. I fall through the air. Say my name like it's a prayer. Watch me fall. Sleeping next to you, giving every piece of me. Wake up with you too. Wanna put us on repeat. Moving next to you, setting all my fire free. Then we beat us too, taking all the time we need. All the time we need Watch me falling. Watch me falling down. Your touch in my hand, your wave defeats my lunch. My light hit the sand. I'm the moon and you're my sun. Watch me falling, watch me falling down. Sleeping next to you, giving every piece of me. Wake up with you too. Wanna put us on repeat. Moving next to you, set all my fire free. Watch me fall. Watch me fall. On my hair. This game was never fair.
And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have any suggestions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm always happy to answer all your questions. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload next. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Wanna put us on